In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable or disable Control Center on your iPhone's lock screen. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Settings. Then scroll down until you find Face ID and passcode. Then it will ask you to enter your current passcode, and after that you will be taken to this page where you should scroll down until you find Control Center. If you want to be able to open up Control Center on the lock screen, you should turn this switcher on next to Control Center, and then if you go to the Control Center, so if you lock your device and then swipe down from the top right corner, it will open up the Control Center. If you want to turn off that feature, you can do it in the same way. So just hit at that switcher to turn it off, and then if we lock our device and try to swipe down from the top right corner, it will not open up the Control Center. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.